Each November, VetPAC provides an opportunity for pre-veterinary students to attend the North Carolina Veterinary Conference at the Raleigh Convention Center. Student participants can attend lectures on a variety of current topics in the field of veterinary medicine, including neurology, companion animal medicine, and more. The VetPAC interns staff an informational booth outside of the exhibitor hall to network with veterinarians and industry professionals. The exhibitor hall is a great opportunity for student conference attendees to engage with various professional vendors, veterinary hospitals and clinics, as well as allied government organizations. Students interested in attending the North Carolina Veterinary Conference should review the VetPAC website for information on how to register for the conference.